So you're at the stage where you can fix up the top layer, okay? So you can fix up the top layer, and what I'm saying now is that basically with fixing up the top layer you can do anything you want with the top layer. So for example, what you can do, and you just should give it a go, is take this one here, move it around and put it back in the other way. Or you could take this corner piece and just give it a twist. So give it a twist so that the yellow is up and the red is on this side. Or what you could do is you could swap two pieces like this one and that one. You could just make them swap positions. Or you could make those two swap positions. And once you know how to do those four things, you can actually solve a cube. So let's just see how we would go about doing something like this. So the first thing is I want to show you how to flip the colors here on this one, okay? So just quickly, we move those out of the way, those two, give this a 180, move this over on this side, and now bring this up again. Now this was my move, right? This was my move. There's actually zillions of different ways in which you can accomplish the same sort of thing, flipping those two colors around. Okay, now what if we did the same kind of maneuver on a proper move, on a proper cube? So I'll just do it again, it's real quick. So it's exactly the same moves that I just did. And what we've got here is colors are flipped, the rest of the top layer is unchanged, but you actually end up messing up the bottom, which is not so good. Okay, now how can we restore the cube? Oh, very easy. What you do is you just run what you just did backwards. Okay, so move this out of the way. It doesn't really matter what I do. You can have your move which accomplishes this. If you run that move backwards, it will restore the cube. Okay, now let's just recapitulate, move it back into this messed up position, or slightly messed up position. Okay, so slightly messed up. If I run this in reverse, what happens? We'll leave everything on top fixed except this one will be restored, and we'll also restore everything at the bottom. Okay, now instead of just doing this straight away, what I'll do is I'll give this top a twist. And now let's just think what is going to happen if I run things in reverse. This one is going to be flipped, everything else is being left in peace, and the bottom is being restored. So let's just do it. So I run this move in reverse. Okay, and yeah, the bottom has been restored. Top is pretty much there, I just have to untwist. So before I twist, now I untwist. So put together, what we've achieved is we've left the whole cube unchanged and only swapped the colors here and swapped the colors there. That's something very useful to have.